Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Savant AI token. Now the Savant AI token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. It is doing horrible today. It is down 53.54%. We're going to have a look at this token here, see what's going on here, but this token, is not doing very well. They recently had a pre-sale on pinksale.finance, the very successful pre-sale, and then just got listed on CoinMarketCap and is now doing horribly. But we're going to go over the information on this token here in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Savant AI token. So it says the world's first AI meme token with USDT rewards. Savant AI aims to be the most marketed centric meme token on the Binance Smart Chain. 0% low buy tax, so maybe there is a sell tax though. No private sale, no team tokens. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap Fast Track, which is true. They just got listed on CoinMarketCap, maybe CoinGecko as well. AveDex and DexView trending at launch. So they had a pre-sale here on PinkSale. They did very well in the pre-sale, set their soft cap at 50 BNB, and they had 285 different investors contribute to this pre-sale, and they sold 214.89 BNB worth of tokens. So they did very well. They have a full audit listed here by BlockSafu. You could view the audit on PinkSale. They have a KYC, which means their team was doxxed to verify who they are for security reasons. And they have a Telegram on here. They have a Twitter. Their official webpage is savantai.finance. Savant AI is the ticker symbol, 9 decimal places. Total supply of this token, 1 billion tokens. There is 450 million tokens for pre-sale, 218,025,000 tokens for liquidity. So it says this token is available on PancakeSwap now, so you can get this token by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Savant AI token using the contract address that you can now find on CoinMarketCap or their webpage. You may have to set slippage if you are selling the token. It said 0% buy tax, so slippage would be fine for buying, but selling, we'll have to see if there's taxes there. And it says liquidity is going to be locked on PancakeSwap for 1 full year. According to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 45% of the tokens went to pre-sale, 21.8% went to liquidity, 10% marketing, 5% advisors number 1, 5% advisors number 2, 5% advisors number 3, and 8.19% of the tokens get burnt. Now there's 2 quick audits as well, one by BlockSafu and one by InterFi, and it says owner cannot mint new tokens, owner cannot set max transaction, owner cannot blacklist users, owner cannot set fees, owner cannot pause trading, and proxy contract and token not found. So all sorts of good stuff there on their audit. So that's strange that this token is doing so horribly today, but that's just what happens in the crypto world, right? It goes up and down. But yeah, so I don't see any really negative comments here either on there. Oh, there's one here. So it says, who is checking these tokens? It says I don't know. Okay, this person, they didn't have any information. Almost all bullish comments on here, which really means nothing either. That doesn't mean anything. One person just said who's checking these tokens and then didn't give any. That's usually too why you don't read comments, because they're just like, this token's a scam, and then they don't give you any information of why they think that. But they do have an audit, a KYC. So on their roadmap here, it says initial white paper concept, website creation, contract deployment, audit KYC, pink sale pre-sale, marketing campaign, pancake swap launch, and massive marketing. That's where they're at right now. Next is going to be Ask Me Anythings with large communities, big burning event, future utility announcement, big events, competition, community engagement. They don't really have any utility here, which is strange. On their, like, where in there, it just says future utility, right? So they really, they have like zero utility here. So it says 6% sell tax, which means 2% goes to USDT rewards, 4% marketing. It says tax can't be changed. And yeah, okay, so that's that. Now Savant AI, it says the world's first meme token, USDT rewards. But yeah, there's zero utility. I was just looking at like, it's a reflection token. That's the only utility here. It says you can buy this token from Pancake Swap, PooCoin, 1inch, or Sushi Swap. And you could use a MetaMask wallet, Trust Wallet, Ledger, SafePal, or your wallet. But yeah, like, okay, so this token, yeah, there's nothing to it whatsoever. Now, if let's see if there's any updates on their Twitter here. That's very strange that a token would have absolutely zero utility besides reflections. I mean, especially with the name AI in it, that's what's confusing me, because usually these AI tokens have something to do with AI, right? Like you would assume Savant AI would have something to do with AI, you know. So it says trending number 1 on AveDex. Our big BTOK marketing is live, more coming soon. Besides that, they got listed on CoinMarketCap. They're on DexView, it says. Now, they have call groups, so a lot of marketing, but that seems to be about it. Like it says they're on BSC Gems or whatever here. And yeah, zero utility. It says, congratulations, everybody. They have some guy making they always have this guy. He's promoting every coin, right? Like on Pink Sale. I don't know if you see this guy, but he's like, oh, and it says, Savant AI will have their fair launch, and it's just like mind-blowing. He's like, oh my god. But I digress. Yeah, so this token has zero utility. Besides the reflections, it says maybe utility in the future, but it doesn't even explain what it is. It's down 54%. I would definitely take this token with a grain of salt because, yeah, there's nothing to it. I mean, I don't know what that person's... There's always that one guy saying every token's a scam for some reason, which he could be right, you know, because a lot of tokens fail eventually, you know. But who's to say what's going to happen? I mean, a lot of companies fail eventually too, right? How many companies make it? Yeah, in the meantime, we'll see what happens with this token. But I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.